Hi everyone, it's Theme Thursday. I thought I'd pop in today with Ivory to do a Theme Thursday, a Theme Thursday video. And here she is. Today's Theme Thursday, I believe, is flowers and trucks. I'm not showing any boys today, so I have no trucks, but I do have Ivory with her flower romper on and matching hat. There she is, sleeping so peacefully. I just ordered some, it's called Just Matte. I'm going to remat Ivory limbs because they are kind of shiny. For some reason, the confectionate sugar that I used, it didn't take well with her limbs, so she still got like shiny spots. So I'm waiting for the Just Matte to remat her. From what I read, the Just Matte is really good for silicone dolls. Hopefully it works well on her. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and to share Ivory with you for Theme Thursday. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later. Have a good night.